Hello and welcome to Behind the Bar with me, Cara Devine. So you're probably wondering, is this channel for me? Well, I certainly hope so. I would love to count you as one of our regular viewers. Our episodes fall into two main categories. So you have the masterclasses, where I take you on a deep dive into a specific cocktail or type of drink. Basically anything bar related that I think is interesting and can give you some cool information on. We discuss the ingredients and why certain ones work best, and take a look at some tips and techniques to help you make the best drinks possible, whether you're behind the bar or at home. And we'll often take a look at the history of a drink, because who doesn't love a good story to go along with your cocktail? You can find a playlist of these masterclasses below. The other category is our bite-sized content. We've got quick how-tos for when you need to know how to make a drink in a hurry, and those ones are in our Make It Quick playlist. I do product comparisons, like in our rye versus bourbon showdown, and there's some other segments from the masterclasses that we think that people might find interesting on their own. Every now and again, I'm lucky enough to have a special guest drop by for a chat as well, so make sure you subscribe and even hit the little notification bell so that you'll never miss an episode. It's really great to hear from you and see what you're enjoying, so any comments, likes and shares are greatly appreciated too. So thanks for watching, and now you know.